Why your face is rough?
Man, have it hard.
Why?
You have to ensure so the camera is on the right side. So, both sides, not your side, left side and right side. You come on the left, you come on the right, you look at your ear.
Jesus, please.
And all this time I've been just sitting and waiting.
Guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, you all. Good morning.
Good morning. It is a beautiful day. It is the day that the Lord has made, and we must be thankful in it. Amen.
Alright, guys, so you know what time it is, right?
It is breakfast time.
Yes, and
we do breakfast with
love.
Right.
So, what are we going to prepare this morning?
Anything from Polly Kitchen is good.
So, you just say something. You tell me something, baby.
Scrambled egg and bread.
Egg and bread. Don't come on camera, come do that. Baby, why you always something on camera?
Right. So, bread is good, but it's just that we don't do it regular. But
so, do you want scrambled egg and bread?
No, not this morning. But
so, why are you doing that?
Can you ask me a question? I give you just a random answer.
Alright, I bought some chicken neck.
Chicken neck?
Mm-hmm.
That's alright. You know turkey neck?
Yes.
You have turkey and you have turkey. Turkey, wait on.
Turkey and turkey.
You're right.
I don't eat turkey.
You don't eat turkey neck?
No. You don't know that?
Oh,
Baby,
yeah, I just remember.
Don't tell me that you don't know that.
No, I know, but I just never recall it or remember anything
so,
like that. But I eat so much of that with bean, curry, whichever way, just to make it work. And look at them now. Look at where I am now, still healthy.
Well, alright.
So
to
there
tell
is
you the truth,
no discrimination in it.
I am not discriminating, but to tell you the truth, my mother used to cook it and I used to have to eat it. But being an adult now, you could find stuff for yourself back then. Being an adult now, I just don't like it, so I don't.
So what's the difference between the chicken neck and the turkey neck?
The chicken neck? Difference between the chicken neck and the turkey neck. The
bony same way.
It is, but the chicken neck is from chicken. The turkey neck, it is from turkey. I don't eat turkey. You never eat it when we went to the Christmas dinner by my brother, You didn't eat any of that turkey that they bought, right?
No, it kind of looked too big, but...
Okay. Well, that's how the neck them stay, the neck them big.
Alright, anyway.
Yeah, we start the chatting and breakfast and start. But anyway, baby, I have something to say. I forgot to take out the chicken neck. Well, I don't really forget, but listen, let me tell you something. I didn't know that you would want it for breakfast.
Abuse.
Jesus, peace.
Abuse.
Anyway, let me take it out. Guys,
Abuse.
Rise and shine. It is breakfast time.
But I'm not gonna quarrel because it is a beautiful day. Yes, and it is a gift from our Heavenly Father.
Yes, it is.
So, let's move. Abuse. People, it is getting from bad to worse. My wife is abusing me. She know what she want for breakfast, and she come and she ask me the question, and then me give her the answer, and then she said no, she don't want that. She already have it in her mind, but she don't take it out. She's abusing me. Help. Okay, baby, let's just go and have breakfast. Make breakfast so we can have it. You can go and get what out of the fridge.
So take it out?
Go ahead. You have a choice?
Yeah, but may I ask you how long you not answer? So I don't know if you want, because I tell you, I don't know what you're going to want for breakfast, so what I do, I can't just take out something like that.
You can't take out egg.
You don't want any extra food in a row.
So I'm going to work when I get a man time now. I'm just go to egg now.
Alright, this is not going to happen. This is the last time this is going to happen. I promise you.
I
promise you.
It is being recorded. Look at her face. She's promising me. Make that promise again, please. This is the last time. Say it. This is the last time. Say it. She's not being committed.
Look around here. I did a lot of work. I was making some shots that we
All of
took
this
in
is
the
from last
morning.
night, and you rest and you come out. So
Yes, but I didn't
alright, good.
remember because I was making some shots that we normally took in the morning before we.
Say
Guys,
after me, this is the last time. Say after me, this is the last time.
what are you talking about?
Okay, that's what I thought.
Guys, I was making some shots that we would normally take in the morning on our empty stomach, right? So this is pineapple, turmeric, and ginger. Yeah, I used the juicer and I made these shots. So I never, and I don't know what he is going to have in the morning. We just come down and we just decide, and then we go ahead and do whatever it is that we decide to do. That's how it goes. Look at the kitchen now, guys. Look at the kitchen. There's a lot of work been going on. Look at that. I made some natural juice, and I also made those shots that I showed to you guys, right? All right. So I never know what my husband is going to decide, what we are going to decide. So see the blender there. So I'm not even joking. I made some natural juice, plus I do some the shots them as I show you guys. So hence the reason I didn't even consider to take out the chicken neck, but I will try. As I said, I will, what you want me to say on camera, I'm going to say, I will try, and I could make this happen.
Okay, you just said something which is not right. I don't want you to say it because I say you must say it. I want you to say it because that is what you're going to do. Not because I say you must say it, you're going to say it. You're going to say it and be committed to it and do it. Okay?
That's it, I will try.
You're not busy, you'll try.
I'll try.
I'm an easy guy to please him. Sure, I want some machete and some picker, some hammer and some chisel to do some kind of separation this morning.
No, not really. Once the water catch it, give me a chicken leg, you know.
That's the formula, alright? My wife is going to do it this morning.
No, not me.
I'm telling you what I do. Alright. I am telling you what to do to get the job complete, and you're telling me no, that is not what is needed.
You're talking about chisel this, that and all
To get the
those.
separation, that's what you use to separate.
So did you use that to separate the chicken?
You ever watch it?
Yes.
Okay. What I use?
Just your hand you use and your strength to tear them apart and catch water running off the. What you do is once the water is cold, you remove that water off the meat and catch more water. So that's your formula.
Let's see if that works this morning.
Well, this is really tough, but
See you guys in 4 hours time.
so my husband is complaining. Look at his face, saying I'm taking him for granted because I'm not taking out the meat, and I know I'm going to use it and I don't take it out. Peeps, that's not true. The fact and the matter is, when we come to the kitchen, we decided what we want for breakfast. We don't sit in the bed and say, oh, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, or we don't plan. There's no planning. What you doing?
I'm listening.
So why you take up one? Because I tell you, this is what I was doing. So
No, look
I
at
was
the bottom.
tired.
Look at the bottom. Can I do anything without you instruct me to? I don't have a free will. I have to wait on you to instruct me.
No, you
Okay.
don't have to.
So I just look at the bottom and see the supplements and just mixing everything back
So you're
together.
gonna.
Is that illegal?
I don't know.
Look here, you are abusing me. And why I say that? It's not complaining or complaining, I'm just making a factual statement. You leave the thing that you want to prepare for breakfast overnight. It's frozen in the fridge. And then I must come and take it out and thaw it out. And at the same time, wasting time and I have to go to work. So you have to be reminded of the time.
And you're being unfair because we don't plan for breakfast. We just come to the kitchen and we do whatever we want for breakfast. Isn't that so?
Okay, guys. I'm being unfair. Male, you cannot win the argument. Okay? So you just have to settle.
Why are you doing that now?
I'm
Why?
talking to the male. It's a
Okay.
male moment.
Okay.
All the husband and the male, the man them in the house, don't argue. Just comply. What were you saying?
Never mind.
Okay.
Can we take our
Continue.
shots now? Never
Shots?
mind. This is it. Can we?
Shots?
Yeah, never mind. I'm not. You're behaving like we no plan for breakfast. We just come down at the kitchen.
Why are you shouting?
Yeah, because we
We're
don't.
going to take our shots. I thought we go to the doctor to take shots. We move from
This strengthens our immune system, guys. This is very, very good. It is also good for cold and flu. So this is what I was working on. I have to do this, and you know, he knows that. But I mean, I know what I'm going to do. We're going to feast and pure cabbage. So I'm not gonna ask you what you want for breakfast. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to go to the fridge and take the cabbage from the fridge and just do my thing. Take the cabbage from the fridge and I'm gonna do my thing.
Can I say something without any form of interruption?
Say anything you want to say, nothing no matter to me right now.
Maybe vex with me this morning. Anyway, first I need
Giving me upset.
First I need to say what is this. What is this?
It is you know, you make me upset now so I can't even talk about it. So
Alright, leave it alone. We're going to take this. Next time I give you the name of this.
it is on my channel, guys. Oh no, I don't upload that video as yet, but I'm going to put it out.
So we're going to leave that one alone. Next thing again. Isn't you the one who said that you want us to come off of meat and eat cabbage? So if you go ahead and prepare cabbage, not a problem. Man, how can we please them? Isn't you the one who said that?
Yes.
So you're getting what you want. Suppose it's a sign I'm giving you or an indication that I'm giving you. Say cabbage.
No, because
cabbage.
guys, listen, it is Jamaican breakfast, right? And it is also authentic. And these things were the things that we used to eat back then for breakfast. And even now, you know, you just chew some chicken neck and you just brown stew with your curry, you do whatever you want.
With all of that
Likewise,
said,
the chicken.
With all of that said, you're saying that I'm complaining. And you know what you're going to do? You're going to go to the cabbage. And I'm saying that.
Not only the cabbage, salt, fish, you wait.
Okay. I need to take my shots.
Yeah, man, me upset. Me now I'm going to tell it, me upset.
Dr. Myers, and he said this is from my immune system and cold and...
Me no remember, you know.
Can I have the camera?
Why?
Just give me the camera.
Why?
Can I? Guys, look on her face. Look on her face.
It doesn't matter.
It matter. This is not for you. This is for our subscriber.
Well.
That's more like it. One more. Teeth. Teeth. Okay. I guess somebody didn't get an early wake up this morning.
Whatever. Anyway.
Take your shot.
You're not being fair, baby.
Fair
We
is-
don't plan breakfast. We come at the kitchen and we just do anything we want to do.
So I guess you need to start to plan breakfast. Okay. That's all right. Breakfast is not nice this morning. We're not bonding.
You made me upset. You're telling me that I'm taking you for granted and I'm not taking no. It's so fun.
A lot of people now get no love tonight. Hey, I get it. They say, me know our sauce spot still, you know. But you know,
Whatever.
so why you laugh like that? Me not touch the sauce spot a while ago.
Can you take the camera out of my face, please?
Me not touch the sauce spot a while ago.
Can you please take the camera out of my face?
Okay.
So here's your half, baby.
Here's my shot.
Yeah. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
Yeah. Guys,
What happened?
I feel everything going through my whole body. My belly.
And you know I have to do that. I have to make natural juice and I have to make these things because you're on the road 24/7 and you know COVID is still active. And plus cold and flu is always active.
A breakfast you come for me. All of a sudden you turn that.
It's not about that. But you just, you know, guys, that's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes we get upset with each other, but
No, we not get upset. You upset, me not upset. You can't tell me not to make me upset. You must feel mad. So you can go and upset.
guys, we're not perfect. We get upset with each other.
No, not
but
we.
we sort it
You
out
get upset.
in
Not
no
me.
time.
Me not get upset. You get upset.
Well, whatever.
You must know why I get upset.
Whatever.
Okay.
Because you know I have a lot to do and you're complaining, but
So
I don't take out this, I don't take out that.
Are you saying that I don't have a lot to do too?
Yes, I know.
Right, so-
but I don't complain whenever time things like
Hello.
not going right or something. Yeah, just something about that. That's what I thought.
No, no, for say. You upset, me not upset. That's all I have to say, me done. You must know why you are upset.
Because you are making me upset.
I say easily upset.
No.
Okay. So I finally separated the chicken neck. And it's time to clean. But as you know, my wife always wants to separate all this tongue string, and when you're done, you know, no more meat. Be a bone. Because every little thing upset our stomach.
That's not.
You know how much meat this is true, eh? Tell you. Look on that. Look
What
at
is that? That's just fat. That needs to
Fat.
show. Mm-hmm. That's just fat that needs to show.
You know some people love chicken skin?
Yeah, I know, but
No, you can't say you know and then you have an ex. You have a butt conjunction. Either you know or you admit, but you're not butt with it.
But it can't.
Yeah, me no say you
oil.
me no say you don't like it. Yeah, me know but you don't like it. Me say some people never say
Okay.
you.
It has a lot of oil, so
It have a lot of oil and it have a lot of hair.
yes.
And then thing they make you go yuck, puke.
So that is method, guys. Stirring off the cold water and just putting back some more on it.
The pressure is a bit low this morning.
That's what I noticed.
But in everything give God thanks. You still have a little water. So,
Can you fit up about the juicer for me?
no, this stuff, this fit up.
So this is the juicer that I use to. So that shot that you see we just drink a while ago, guys. I use the juicer too. I don't put any water. I don't use any water on it. As I say, I'm going to upload the video so you can get to watch it and go ahead and make your own. You don't know how to fit it up? Which book? Baby, you behave like me just buy this.
Just wake up. Not this morning.
Hello. You're behaving like I just bought this thing or something, or me just buy it or something.
I'm not in the mood for this right now.
Why?
Zed.
You should be in a good mood, you know.
To fit up this. This is breakfast time. This is not. You call it now.
Alright, I'll just move it out of the way then. I'll just get it out of the way.
Remember my thing is greater and pudding pan.
Whatever.
Farmer.
So after I use my energy, guys, to make that juice, what is it that you're doing? That's not, you need to put on the other part first.
We're not fitting up this morning.
Alright, let me move it, please, because I don't want you to break something. So this is it, guys. All clean up and nice and dandy. We're going to just wash this off with some good old lime.
Right. Still in the process. My wife loves to use lime. Say cut the rawness.
Yep. Why you say?
No, is it? Well, I see a lot of people do it, but
But what?
back in the days I never remember doing anything like this.
But you know, me see mommy do it though. Me know she do it all the time, but she do it, you know. She use lime. Me see she do it, and me see she look after meat and she use the lime, And she look after meat and she not use no lime. But I truly saw her doing that though. What you say? Mm-hmm.
It's not a long process, brother. And hungry people can't wait for to eat because the thing take long.
Well,
can me alone this in a pot of cook down already.
I know. Why you flashing? Why you jerking like that? You're turking.
To shake off the extra water, but it's turking.
I know you wouldn't know. You bugger you.
But it's turking.
Ah.
Okay guys, my section is done, so turn over to the big chef now.
I don't like these things.
Still cleaning up.
Take off these things. I don't like them on these string thing here.
The more of that, the point time more meat you get now.
Get it.
We're not doing no meat again.
Get it.
The keep on saying baby and nothing will come out after baby. Anyway, that's
Why you
it.
leave me alone? Finish cleaning up the thing.
Guys, jump from egg and right a he.
Could we wait now?
It was a emergency. You have to attend to it. I'm doing manly duty.
I don't want to see it take too long, so I just have to go ahead.
That not nothing to do with it. You jump anyway. You can see where she had some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. You can see where you see the garlic and the onion. I don't see any scallion, but I see
Scallion is there.
Why are you shouting?
I don't know, my voice is strong. I'm not shouting. Let me
There's
show
a
you the
difference with
scallion.
loud voice
Alright,
and
here's
shouting.
scallion.
Okay, I see the scallion, but I don't see the time. You can't
I
scallion.
don't use time on it.
Okay. She's still upset with me now, guys. Anyway. And the ginger.
And I
she's
pour my
rushing.
ginger, so look at that. So it's gonna release the flavor in the pot.
So if you cut it in, it don't release the flavor in the pot?
No, you need to beat it. Alright, so guys, I'm using a little cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
I do my thing a little different from my husband, as you guys know. And I'm gonna dash some salt, as I would say. Dash some salt all over the body. And in with a little of my favorite season.
I want to say that is a secret.
Yup. And I'm gonna go ahead. Do you want brown stew or curry? I never asked you.
Curry.
I know you love curry, you know, it's a good
No, we
thing.
have brown stew the other day, so it's we have flip it vice versa.
Okay. But you love curry, baby. We all love curry. So I'm using some.
If you look at me, you can see little Indian part of it, you know.
I know, I'm so sure they make. And I only love your love curry. There's other things that you love that come with the Indian part.
Da-da-dee. Let's go for a commercial break, guys.
So I'm gonna go in with my hand.
Commercial break.
And I'm gonna massage that really good.
Yes, guys. Wife working the chicken.
So you see what I do when I finish season up?
What you do?
Wash my hands.
Which is normal.
Yeah, you wash your hand too, but you're going to see the next thing that I do. What I'm going to do now
I'm in
is
class.
to dry my hand properly.
I'm in class.
No, you are not.
I'm in
But
class.
you always hold in the cupboard with your wet hand. Your wet hands, and that's not good. So I dry my hand properly, then I'm going over for my pot. I'm not using that little dutchie, you know, use that little dutchie.
With a small amount of meat there?
Yeah, I'm using the big one. It's the same dutchie, but I'm using the big one. Put it on and I'm gonna flip my switch. Alright.
So you don't cover empty pot?
No, I don't. That's your thing, that's not mine.
You want to fly a lizard for drop night?
It's not outside, so that can happen.
Okay.
I'm gonna drizzle a little oil just to base the pot.
You see how your oil bucket pretty compared to my spoon?
Oh my god. I'm drizzling a little oil there just to base my pot, guys. Because although I remove all the skin off the neck, you know it's still. So that's just to base the pot so that the meat don't itch up in the pot. Alright, so I'm waiting on that to get really hot. Then I'm gonna toss my meat in. I go ahead and I put on my food pot.
Another word for itch up in my pot is sticking.
Sticking in the pot, right? But you now have to try and talk the Jamaican way, the patwa.
What are you going for now?
What are we going to have with?
Anything at all. Don't ask me that question. I'm tired of that question. You know. Just look out for breakfast so you can get to eat and for me to go to work, please.
So you're not going to help me?
Yeah, man, I will the camera.
Okay, no problem.
I hear morning this morning. The other morning was my morning.
So do you want a piece of pumpkin? This pumpkin is really nice.
Still ask a question.
Alright, so I won't ask you anything.
Right, just prepare breakfast.
Okay.
Pumpkin, potato, and banana.
Okay, I have a breadfruit. I have a nice breadfruit.
No breadfruit going to soup. No breadfruit this morning.
That's why I have to ask you. You see what I'm saying?
I called man
You see
breadfruit.
what I'm saying?
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, but you take out the nice pumpkin and you put it in back. Why you
Yeah,
going
man, you see
breadfruit?
what I'm saying? That's why I have to ask you. You hear how you shout and go on. I hope you're not recording that shout at the show.
You want to see little breadfruit or she take out that about nice breadfruit?
So I'm gonna use yeah, man. You want
yes, man. Food. Okay. Jamaican man have food.
Okay. And you say you want a piece of the pumpkin?
Yes, man. Food.
Okay.
Right.
That's why I have to ask you. You hear your shout and behave. I hope you didn't record that.
No,
Because that's not nice.
seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You listen here when you shout come here.
You see, as I took out the breadfruit, me no want a breadfruit. Like, where I go with breadfruit. And I did ask you.
I didn't say that. Look at these guys. Nice pumpkin.
Cassava.
Cassava.
I asked you, you want cassava?
Yes, man. Grown food.
Grown provision. Grown God.
Okay, guys. As I look at this, I know this come from Kissing Town.
Everything come from, I can't bother with you and Kissing
Evidence. Ding. Yeah, man. Prim and proper.
Going over to the pot.
Yes.
I
3
don't
piece
want
I
the
am.
pot to burn me,
There's
so...
a little knob on the pot. You can lift it
I
up.
don't want it to burn, baby. And it's coming off, you see that?
That doesn't mean that it cannot lift up.
Right, so my pot is boiling, so I'm going to just toss my yam in my pot.
Style.
So
Let
that
me
water
catch that.
don't flash up.
Yeah, you see that style? Let me catch it. It's shaking because it's an indication that the pot has been used. Okay?
Been using for years.
Yeah, right. So, don't make that worry you.
Well, I'm going to do my thing here now. I don't know how to do this thing here. I don't know how to peel this baby.
You have seen it done so many times, so try it.
Baby, I can't.
Try it.
Okay, you want
I
to?
think it's a try, but I fail. But you need to wash out the original red dirt, Kissing Town red dirt. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I have Kissing Town right beside. I know you eat Kissing Town for going on your body.
Baby, I can't do it.
Yeah, wash your mask.
Yeah,
Sorry.
lock off is something.
Like you stroke it.
Lock off the camera.
Indeed.
Make me pee. Baby, I can't pee. I can pee.
Try it if you feel like assisting.
I can't peel it. I feel like I cannot peel it. And I'm not going to do what you do. I'm going to do how me peel food. I can't peel your way, baby. Baby,
No,
can't peel
it is.
it. I can't peel it. I can't do it how
That
you
is
do.
not how it though.
I don't care. The aim is to get the skin off it, right? That's what you would say.
So you agree now?
Agree with what?
The aim is to get the skin off from it, from the food.
Yes.
Okay.
And I can't do like how you do you.
No, the aim. So we're getting the skin off it. So the aim. Just remember the aim, okay?
You know.
So guys, this morning we are working with the aim. So it's not about the proper way or the right way. It's the bottom line is the aim.
When I show you how to do things in the kitchen, is not to get the kitchen messy and all of that. When you cook, the kitchen is messy. You can look in the sink. I clean the sink as I go. I don't leave it messy.
All right. Mission accomplished.
Yeah, I'm not trying to do your style. I can't.
All the skin has been removed from the cassava. Not the original way, but the fact that it has been moved.
So why are you doing that?
No, because this is all them things my grandmother that turn in her grave.
Baby, can you just leave this up, please? really thing, please. Let me do it here, do it, guys.
Have you ever made cassava dumpling?
We did. Both of us.
So the cassava has been peeled and is now being washed. And my wife don't put the food in the pot unless it's washed. And she don't carry the food to the pot unless she take it into a container. That's not how you take out the mache chop. That's a mache chop, you know. Right.
You do like that?
Right.
I know about that. Don't.
I am assisting you while you're shouting this morning.
I'm not shouting. You keep saying
You don't talk to your lover boy like that. Come on.
Baby, can I
This
can
is
I
a
give me a
lover
break?
boy.
Give me a break. When you are cook, you ask me to give you a break.
You're going back
I'm
with that.
asking you to please leave me alone.
You're going back to your words them again.
Which
Break
words?
and leave and all them something. Watch it like people in the cover.
Yeah, so that it
the
don't
purpose,
splash up.
The purpose is to allow the hot water not to splash. Safety makes sense and come first.
Alright, thank you for that little intro there. That's what I want you to do and leave me alone.
Mommy?
Yep.
You put the food in the pot and splash.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just clean up my area. I can't do nothing unless I clean up. So that's why.
Okay guys, she's in a clean up mode and we know what she did to clean up. So see you in the next episode.
Checking my meat pot. Yup. Coming on nicely as usual.
As usual.
I just turned the stove down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover. I'm not going to put any water as yet because I need my season to jelly in. You know? Being as we just season the meat and use the meat just right away like that, I don't need water on it. I need my season to gel in with my meat properly. So I'm going to just cover. Continue to cook on low heat. Alright, as for my pumpkin now guys, I'm going to just cut a piece of my pumpkin. Don't need too much. Look at that. Wow, this is really lovely. Look at the knife.
Can you just imagine?
It stained the knife.
Yeah man, kissing
That's
tone
how
come
I
from
love.
you.
Baby. Baby. Baby.
Guys, when you go to the market and you see those people
Oh
selling,
my God.
ensure that you ask them where you bought this food from.
Oh my
They say,
God.
Kitchen Town, go ahead. Kitchen Town produce a lot of wonderful food.
Oh my God.
Look at that guy. Look at that guy.
What?
Scotch bun. What is it?
Yeah man, yeah man.
Washing the pumpkin skin.
Yeah, because I'm going to use the skin of the pumpkin.
So your hand can wash it.
Yes, but the Scotch Brite wash it more. Look at that.
So you don't.
Look at that.
You don't want any soap.
No, I don't want any soap. I don't want any soap. I can't bother with your foolishness, you know.
I've never seen this one before.
So guys, I'm not going to put the pumpkin in the pot as yet.
So it's one for me and one for you?
Yes.
So what about the boys?
They don't eat pumpkin. They don't eat. They don't do that.
Okay.
Baby, hold on to me. We're going with that.
Banana peeling cold water. 5 running and banana. Banana must clean to go enter pot. You see the difference with me? When you peel my banana, I have to cut off the tip of it, you know, the bottom of it, you know.
Why?
Come here, to cut it in the skin, but you just cut the top and peel it and then you have to go through all of that.
Yeah.
They tell you about wasting of time.
Waste enough time and you waste the food.
Please, the tip of the banana is food, so why you cut it off them?
Listen. You're going to give me a break to finish breakfast?
No, she me just say it. And banana, she don't leave the banana cold water this time. Put it into the plate.
Lord, have mercy, Lord. Going to my pot now to deposit this banana in it. So,
She taking her cover.
sweating. Water is bubbling.
So you know, the water splash right now. You understand?
No, because the banana is tall, so I just, you see what I do? I just do like that.
Just stick it in.
Yeah, no splashing.
Stick it in.
Right in. And I'm not going to put my pumpkin because I don't want it to mash out. Pumpkin cooks really quick, so I won't put it in as yet.
Okay, guys.
This is ready for some water. All the water has dried away. Okay. You see that nice gravy that it made already? Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my water on it that I did catch.
You wash out the pudding pan.
I'm gonna pour this.
And leave it down to simmer down to gravy.
I'm gonna put in my Irish as well.
Now chocho.
You love chocho, you want to chocho? You buy chocho? No, you buy chocho. I tell you that I buy my chocho them to do something and every minute you bashing me about chocho. Did you buy chocho, babes? Babe, you buy chocho?
Baby, buy chocho for me.
Leave me and my chocho.
Voila. Okay.
That's straight.
Okay. Carrot is being peeled.
Peel, I don't peel carrot, baby.
I'm just saying.
I'm
There's
scraping the carrot.
different way of peeling carrot.
I'm not peeling.
I know that carrot don't peel, baby.
Why are
Carrot
you
can just
peeling
wash and eat, but you want to take off the dirt. If you use a Scotch Brite on it, it could have worked, you know.
I'm not using Scotch Brite.
And you could have scraped the pumpkin skin too.
But can you please do it your way?
Yes.
And leave me alone, please.
I've used the board now.
I'm not doing like you, you know. This is fast and efficient. Fast and
I'm not saying a word.
you better don't.
My way work. So.
Alrighty.
Can me alone spill this?
Look here, move the camera. Jesus, please.
I am not working or I am working.
Anyways,
I
I'm
am
going to the
working.
pot. And I'm not going to put my carrot as yet. I don't like when my carrot is too soggy.
You like
Too
crunchy,
soft
crunchy.
And yeah. I'm just going to add the Irish to my pot. That will stir. And I'm gonna allow that to cook. Can I use some of your metal flour?
No, I wouldn't mind. You say you know that for a long time. That not that country. Flour in that country alone.
I've been with from a long time, but we prefer to use the cornstarch.
So don't say my. So if you want to use cornstarch.
I have it.
So use it, man.
Okay, not a problem.
This a go on pan what a go on.
What?
When you're not using water directly from the pipe, she use a container to ensure that our flour don't spoil.
Lordy.
Working. Put your back in it.
You could mix the flour for me?
Yes, I could. Did you ask me?
I asked you what you said. Don't come do that. Don't, baby. You know, don't put in on any shoe. Because you know, if you put on a shoe, you know, me go the truth. Me go tell the truth.
So me not tell truth, me tell lie?
No, you tell lie right now. You put on
So
shoe
when you
right
ask
now.
me, where you ask me? Oh, you ask me.
I asked you if you can mix the flour. And you say, no. Total video, man. No, me not mix the flour.
Not aware of that.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Nobody knows that.
Never mind. It's okay.
Where do I find job?
Yeah, man, it's okay. So me alone to do everything this morning.
That's not true.
Wait. So what you do?
You don't see what me do?
What?
The people them see on the camera. No worries.
You just talk. You just get the meat thing they out for me. That's
no,
all.
nothing at all. And that's not critical. Okay.
We could have it pair
You could have do it.
with the food. cook food with pear. Of course.
On stop and look here.
You don't have to eat no meat. You don't have to eat any
You could
meat.
eat cabbage too.
Well, there was no cabbage in the fridge at the
Okay,
moment.
that's what I thought.
So I'm gonna add my pumpkin to my pot now, guys.
So that's no sticky in the pumpkin.
Just gonna drop it in like that.
Okay.
Like that, I need them to get to the bottom though. Right, so that is it. So I'm using some cornstarch to give my gravy some body.
Okay guys, so that is the garlic.
Jesus, leave the tin. It's not the tin. I just stir it in the garlic.
Oh, you're stirring at the pretty
butter. Garlic. This is the garlic butter.
Okay, for storage. Okay. Pretty pan.
It is gluten free, so that's why I bite.
Okay.
Alright, I'm just going to mix this around, just to ensure that that it is mixed out properly. No lumps.
All people have a saying to say good for good for the Are you ready for that? The last time I was here and I was cooking, I was using a spoon. And can you say why my one was lumping? It was because I was using a spoon, and I should use a
Fork.
So why are you not using a?
Well, the cornstarch and the flour is two different things.
Okay.
The cornstarch dissolves out easily and efficiently. If you notice, there's no lump. Show me there's lump.
No, I'm just asking a question.
But the flour now, you have to use a fork in order not to get any lumps because you have to mix that out real good.
Okay,
So I'm going to just add that to the pot. See, look at that. No lumps. No lumps.
You
Alright?
keep on saying no lumps as if there was lump in mine.
There was lump the last time when you used this.
No, there was no lump in mine.
Alright, go back and watch the video. There was little lumps. I won't say anything. Peeps, watch the video.
Not true.
Go ahead and add a little water. I'm not drowning my pot with water like some people. Alright, giving that a good stir. Keeping the pot moving, spinning the pot as well. Alright, now guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and add my carrots to the pot.
People, just to be on the alert. If you see any shifting in the camera or anything like that, I fainted because this long process of cooking and I'm so hungry. My belly is talking to me. Some people body don't talk to me now, but through mine talk to me. Right now my body protests. You understand? And flour not gonna pot yet and all them. So if I see any sudden move of the camera and the camera fell.
I asked you to make the flour for me and you didn't.
Guys, she said she not sure well for water in her pot like me, you know, but she
I don't join
wait till the camera turn off, then she got add water to it.
No, this is I don't join it.
You not join, but look, you still add more water to it.
I add just a bit because I realized that you wanted a little bit more. You guys love a lot of gravy, unlike me.
So when
What is tasting good?
Why you try to join out what I'm saying?
Alright, go ahead and talk.
It's alright. People them see it. Them catch
My
you
meat
through
not
water
swimming.
net. No, we're not swimming.
My meat is not covered
I must
with
say
water.
fish.
Look at that.
I must say fish.
Look at that. It's not covered.
Them say now cook properly.
These things are at the back.
These are the things why the food takes so long to cook.
Jesus,
These are the
baby, lock
things
off the key.
that cause the food to take so long to
Anyways,
prepare.
I won't do
Because
anything.
while she cooking, she find time to do something else. Come on.
The clove.
The food is overcooking.
The clove, I go and took the
My
clove and I'm
word.
going to put it at the front so that when I need it, I can just easily remove it. I'm going to make some pineapple skin tea and I'm going to throw a few cloves in it.
Okay.
Hence the reason why I was up here.
Alright.
So I don't know why you turn on the camera.
We're doing so I have to say later. Okay guys. Everything inside the pot except for the dumpling. And my wife is doing a wonderful job making those big cartwheel dumplings. To put in the pan.
That's not big, baby.
You know, if you notice my convert a little bit still, you know? One time she never make the dumpling and put in the pot directly from the plate
Right.
to the pot, but now she's doing just that.
Because
I guess she adding some speed to it. Because she hear my belly groaning.
I don't hear anything.
So why you need to put it into your plate? The plate is right there.
Because you're
The plate
bothering
right
me.
there.
You're
See?
bothering
That's a
me.
dumpling plate, so why didn't you use it?
Because you are mouth bothering me.
That's not true. You know,
Yes.
easily influenced like that. You are being converted.
Well, you can see that again.
You have been converted.
Yes.
Say it
yes.
again.
I have been converted. Not
Good.
a problem.
I hurt though, baby, I sweat.
Take the camera out of my face.
Camera action.
Take the camera out of my face.
Yeah.
You don't want me to finish breakfast.
I don't
You
hear the
really don't want me
fire.
to finish breakfast.
I fire. It's in the last dumpling. And guys, this is not her way of putting the flour in the pot because she's a person like this. She make them on count. She sent 2 for Jack, 2 for Jill, 1 for Harry, and 2 for
Oh
Tom.
Lord.
But I know that with this
Come
way,
on, the
she
pattern.
does not have any form of control who to get what and what. So, anyway, she have been converted.
Whatever.
Okay, guys, we're moving to a different episode. And my wife is washing out the sink, washing her hands, just to collect water in the teapot. But it is what it is.
I have to wash out the sink. So guys, this morning our tea is pine skin and lemon
Wow,
skin.
that's a healthy tea, guys, because you know that each ingredient have its own benefit. For example, the lemon skin, it keep you hydrated. Did you know that?
I know, that's why I put it in the water and drink the water,
Good.
the lemon water.
It also promotes weight loss.
Yeah man, I know that much.
It prevents kidney stone.
Well, I think I read that before, but I don't really.
And it also lower your blood pressure. And it reduces heart disease. That's a lot of benefits just from the lemon skin alone. And
Alright, so guys.
And wait. The pineapple skin also have its own benefit also. Did you know that?
I know pineapple is very good for inflammation
It aids in your digestive system
and your digestive system.
and it keep you to feel full throughout the day. So if you're going on a diet or anything like that and you want to eat less, you can drink a cup of tea from the pineapple skin. So there's so much benefit.
Benefit,
But
right?
guess what? You're gonna add something to it.
Yeah, I'm gonna add some. All right, now guys, so I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna add a few cloves as well.
I'm gonna close it now.
I really don't.
So you add something to your pot, you see?
Because I know it is good. I read about it before. I
These are the
know
things
it,
that
but I don't remember.
when I talk.
You ask me what it does, and
I
I'm
say don't
saying.
know and I'm going to say something.
Let me go to the thing there with the pot.
You have
Can't
this
bother.
wonderful healthy tea thing and you're putting on something that I don't know. What is the purpose of it?
Go and read up. Go and read.
Me, no, I'm going to tell you what it do. One of the things my grandmother used to do, whenever time you get cut, because you know boy picking rude and bad, climb up a tree, push kite and all them something. Grandma used to boil the same pineapple skin, heal the home faster than normal.
Really?
Yeah. So there's so much benefit. If only we know the benefit of the thing that we have in Jamaica. You don't have to run a doctor so regular.
Yeah, but we run to doctor. That's what we do.
No man, you see, in our old days, you don't go doctor. You get a chip and tomorrow, to the rebel and tomorrow to heal.
So that's it. I know clove is very, very good. It's just that I don't remember anything what it is good for, but I can do my own research. But I know it is good, so I am having it. All right.
I take the number them, no good for. My wife will train me bad way. But woman power.
I can't bother with you. You don't want me to finish breakfast,
You
you know?
know why you put the clove in it? With
You
so much
don't
benefit.
want me to finish breakfast.
Anyway, it is what it is. Oh, the package over here, sir.
Baby, move the camera. Move the camera, please. Move the camera. Please.
Dumpling can't swim now, because pot want more water, but
The pot don't want any more water. The dumpling is swimming. It's finished.
dumpling finish way.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is finished. See the dumpling them on the top there? It is finished. It's not you cooking. It's not you cooking.
Hey guys.
Not you cooking.
Okay guys, just checking in on our tea. Wow. It have a nice aroma. The scent is so nice and wonderful. My wife is not here. She went around the back to attend to the rabbit. But I'm here just giving you the 411. Our tea is now ready to be sweetened and for us to get all the health benefit. Okay guys, wonderful. Smelling so nice. Okay, there she is. She's on the team again.
What you doing?
As I said, she was attending to a rabbit and she leave me in the kitchen to drown. But
So
I
why
swim.
didn't you lock it off?
See, I was drowning.
Why didn't you lock it off?
Because it's not to boil properly.
I don't want it to boil, I want it to draw. So as the water boil, as the water thing here, you should just lock it off for me.
See that? Anyway, good to go. Ready to go.
Yeah.
Don't say that this big pot here for 2 person because it can stay for 2 to 3 days. So we throw out what we need and can put on the rest and use for another time.
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. It smells so nice.
Lovely. Lovely. What you want here to mix with?
Sugar.
Sugar? Oh, I think I'm going to use a little molasses.
Oh yeah, I want that too.
Hello, yes, it's sugar.
I changed my. Where sugar and molasses come from the same cane. The other day we asked you that question and he said sugar. But you want to get grand prize and make it say, but
Listen.
It come
what
from.
Is the grand? Did I get the grand prize? What did I get?
Baby.
What is the grand
We are
prize?
in the kitchen and everything if you tell them, you know.
You see how the sink clean? Look at the sink.
You are in operation.
Look at the sink. Look over the other part. You see how this clean?
You're in operation.
Okay.
So you say that to say what? To show me up say me nasty?
No, I just wanted to just clean as you go.
As I go.
Clean as you go. Alrighty, so we're gonna just pour the tea out, guys.
Don't waste it. There's so much health benefit. Before you waste it, you take it to a small container. Don't waste it. I throw it into a bigger jar, then you throw it from the bigger jar.
Let's just do that.
These are really, really, really good tea for so much benefit, guys. You know? And
So did you want me to put the clove in it?
It's things like this that we have these body, you know? Things like these. Come on. Look at the body. For a big lady like this. No belly fat, hips but anyway, this is not a muggling contest. Let's get back to the real thing.
Exactly, it's all about breakfast.
Come on, you have to show off what you have. You have to show off what you have.
That's true.
And I'm very lucky to have all of this.
Hello, I'm going to turn the thing now.
Okay.
So I'm doing what you say.
All of this. Come again.
I'm doing what you say, right?
Right.
Pour it in a bigger container.
Right.
Alright, so we're going to leave some for
tomorrow.
or later. We can just.
Yeah, you can have it right.
If we want.
Because guess what? If you don't want to eat any dinner, it filters up. That's one of the benefits.
Fill us up. Okay.
Yeah. That's one of the benefit of the.
Can have it with crackers.
That's one of your favorite things too. Crackers and sardine. Tell them.
This morning is not true morning. I just
Seriously?
Crackers. No, it's not true morning. So
whenever time you go to your favorite place, which is the supermarket, half dozen sardine.
Alright, so I'm going to get the. Let's just cover this. Yep. And let it soak up all of that goodness. So we're using a little molasses, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. And you sure you want your tea to mix with molasses?
Yes, man.
Because you just tell me sugar. You asked me what make molasses and I say sugar, right? So what was it? Because you say you want me to get the grand prize, so you don't
It starts from cane still, but it's a process that go through. Maybe go through the sugar stage too. So I leave it at that, but that's where it come from, sugar. Have you ever been to a sugar factory?
I used to work close to a sugar factory, remember?
That means you go over there.
Is it a sugar factory? No, lie. It's a molasses factory.
Molasses and sugar.
Some like rum. I'm mixing it up. Forget that. No, I've never been. I've never been into a sugar factory. Never.
I've been to a lot.
Oh, so that's why you can come talking about this and that and show off on me.
And the preparation for the sugar and the molasses, some of the time, you know, really so wonderful, but it is what it is. Yes, man.
Alright, here's what I do when I throw the molasses out. Just wipe this off.
Look at that tongue, look at that tongue, look at that tongue.
Let me give you some. Here, take some. Yeah. Because this is just the two of us using it, guys. So that's why I do that. So this is our tea. So time to share breakfast. You sharing or me?
You sharing?
Every time you know you're not nice, though. You don't even prepare breakfast this morning.
There are certain things that you are better at, and I am better at. And she is one of those things. So let's share again.
I'm gonna share. Give me a minute.
You know, sharing is fearing. When you fear, as in, you know that one's supposed to get that, one's supposed to get that. And I will share the food right now, but when you come on to the meat, can't manage it, brother. So it's better for the one who is fear to share.
Whatever, that's an excuse, guys.
It's a genuine one.
Yes, you see, it's an excuse here. That's
Genuine
a genuine one.
I'm not lying.
It came out of my face.
I'm not lying.
It came out of my face.
What you want the camera on your bottom? Wow, dumpling, and more dumpling. You know, me never know say
nice.
I'm big. Never know
They are
you
not.
big dumpling. Seriously?
They're not.
Compared to yours, I do big.
Yeah, that's true, because I would normally. You rush me too much, man.
I remember when we just met and I come by your house and you prepare some meal. So my time I just shame to bite all the dumpling. When I look, I just put one dumpling in my mouth. So. But when I look, I cut it. You know, funny enough, relationship, I want. It's not easy.
You convert me to making the dumpling big.
No, I'm not even talking about conversion. I'm talking about how people act when they just meet. When they go to live together, or them change and you start to chew them.
They chew them, yeah.
When I come to my house and prepare food for me, man, all the dumpling now, they smell me, I cut it and go and like that. And just cute, boy. You know?
People, you're hearing it on camera.
It's not me do it. Everybody do it. Everybody
not me
do
say
it.
Peeps.
You chew on your mouth now, open your ensure that the food chop properly. We are talking, man.
Oh, meat pot.
Those were the days, brother. Anytime anything you want, you could have get me. You just call up. I want to paint a picture, brother. When you see a friend, you tell them to look here. You look come and they say, brother, him that move the world for me. Him that climb maca tree for me. Him that get water from the moon for me. Why me I tell you? But this one.
A lot of pretending.
When you're not genuine, what people have a saying for say, see me?
And come live with me.
Huh?
Are two different things.
Yeah, we're on the same page, man.
Two different things.
Old master transform. Yes, brother. No, sir.
You know, nobody don't need to hear a story, though. Why are you telling
this
that?
isn't a story. This is what happened to everybody. This is generalizing.
I mean,
boy meet girl pretend.
Yeah.
And after in can live and get what you want in transform.
Transform.
Yeah, man.
But that's not nice, though.
Life on a wall, brother. Life on a wall.
So you say I have a few up my sleeve, like what I pretend with.
No, man, you're different, you know. You know, I must tell you people, I am so blessed. I can declare that Jesus Christ loved me different from everybody else. Well, when I tell him that I am serious and I want a wonderful wife, he went to the garden and pick a flower and give it to me.
Can we not go there this morning,
understand?
please?
So that flowers, you are my flower, and you are picked from the garden of Jesus Christ given unto me. I am so blessed. Look at that smile. Yeah. Mwah. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Not say we no quarrel, you know.
Yeah, we do.
But
But we don't. Not what you think is quarrel. It's just a little some man. I mean,
indifferent, yeah.
I don't like when I share food and like this is the side of. I don't like when I share food and the little messes around the plate. I don't like it. I don't normally do it on camera, but my husband just have the camera on and all up in my face. So,
Can I say something?
I don't like to give him his food with any
Can I say something?
gravy sticking out.
Can I
Sure,
say
you
something?
can. Sure.
This is just you being you. There's no
Yes.
pretending
Right.
in what you're doing. You just love to clean up. You just love all in the food share your clean up. My God. When we cut the dumpling or the yam or the banana, the oil go and spill there and there and there.
I don't like
So
it though.
clean up your plate because
I have to clean yours. I've never given your food looking raw.
which is true, but
I
yeah.
have to clean it.
Yeah. Anyway, we're on to our tea. Rich tea, healthy tea. You know, honest to God, we must praise the Lord and thank Him for everything that He has done for us. But you know, we don't sit clean.
When you talk too soon.
No, not talk too soon. We're doing what we're doing. Doctor not like that couple here.
Baby, this morning is what morning? Is it breakfast morning or what? I know it's breakfast
This
and shot, but
this
I'm
morning is
thinking-
talk your mind. Doctor not like that couple here. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Remember the last time we take our son to the doctor said he's more healthier than even she.
Can we are not talking about, why are you talking about?
It's
Can I serve you?
egg juice there.
Can I serve you your breakfast
It's
now?
egg juice
Can
there.
I serve you your breakfast
So
now,
you know
please?
my body healthy right here. Just look at this word body healthy.
Can I serve you your breakfast now?
Yes, baby.
Because
you may
this
go.
morning is breakfast morning and not. So this is what my husband always do. He always sit and wait for me to serve him. And this morning is not talk our business morning. So I don't know how you reach there.
You know, people may wonder why I wanted to serve my breakfast. You know, you have some couple, they prepare the breakfast or dinner and just gone because they're doing their duty. But we don't, it's not a duty. Our thing is not a duty thing. We do it with love, appreciation. So don't say, watch out, food done and him, could I take it or why she have to serve him? No. It is just a little more extra to say that, baby, I do it for you. With
I
love.
appreciate you.
Yeah. So, get it.
So no morning, I want you to talk our business. It's breakfast thing and I don't want our business talk.
No. We need to thank the Lord that we have business to talk.
Alright.
Lord, we...
I'm going to serve you your orange juice before you pray.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I appreciate.
Good. So guys, you know my husband have to get his orange juice because him normally eat and drink at the same time. I can't do that.
You can, but you decided not to. Everything in life is a choice.
Well, I guess so.
Right.
I don't wish to do that. Okay.
Yes, now it is time to bless them. Thank the man from above. Heavenly Father, we just want to thank you for your grace and your mercy towards us this morning. First and foremost, we want to thank you for life. We thank you for the sun that shines, the bird that sings, the air that we breathe. We thank you, Lord, that our union is continuing to grow in spite of every difficult and circumstances we face. We thank you, Lord, that in spite of everything, you continue to make a way. You make a way for us this morning so that we have something to eat. We don't take it for granted because we know that there are so many persons here today who don't have something to eat. And we just want to thank you for what you are doing in our life. We thank you, Lord, for our friends. We thank you, Lord, for this family. And as we're about to partake in what you give unto us this morning, we know that it will bring health and strength to our body. And as you continue to bless us, we continue to see your glory. And we tell you thanks in Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. So you know him have to dive in a film food, you know. So
Yeah, taste that one, you know.
now wait a minute.
Crazy.
What is going on here?
Yeah, man, real thing, this real strong food.
And the pumpkin is so dry.
Healthy, man.
Not to mention the cassava, guys, and the yam. Oh my God.
Banana.
Wow.
The dumpling. Right now, somebody, I look and say, boy, I'm gonna eat some of this. No.
It's only natural.
Too bad. I mean, you know.
You wouldn't know if they were here.
Of course I would.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
So
Pick up the like.
yeah.
Spread it, the video. Share it. And subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. We are here once more. And with breakfast with.
My husband and I.
Has done breakfast with.
Love.
Yeah. Breakfast with love.
Okay. I didn't remember your slogan. So his slogan, guys, is breakfast with love. So as usual, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. I do appreciate all comments. I do appreciate you guys. So bye. Catch you another day, another time, same place in Polly's Kitchen for breakfast with love. Bye.